I've just always loved building things. I wanted a job where I'd be able to just be on the go all the time, so that's why I chose it. Hi, my name's Elsa. I'm doing an engineering apprenticeship at Oxford University in the engineering science department. I focus on working on the machines, making things, and it can be stuff that is brought in that people have made for research. Right now I'm working on a vice just for myself. We've been able to make it to really tight tolerances on the dimensions, which I'm quite proud of. I'm learning the basic skills of engineering. It's with Oxford University, but then the training provider is Abingdon and Whitney College. At college, it's mainly to learn more of the knowledge side. There's a workshop there that's similar to this. I have done a lot of work on the machines, but to do that, you have to design the product first. So I've been learning how to use CAD, which is computer-aided design. Even though it's only been a few months, I've learnt so much. How to set dimensions on the machines and how to set it to be able to cut certain shapes. And just the general engineering sort of skills, like using vernier calipers, micrometers, those tools that I didn't really know how to use before. I feel like I'm a real part of the team here. Before I was making the vice, they got me helping build stuff for the research that had come in from other labs. It makes me feel like I'm actually doing something to help and not just making small parts or doing something on the lower scale. For someone considering doing an apprenticeship, I would definitely say look at the options because there's so many out there. I didn't want to go to university, and I think doing an apprenticeship was never really spoke about when I was at school. I want to help other people who may be in a similar situation to me to be able to actually look at other options